New at 6, Nathaniel Colley is the first African-American attorney in Sacramento. He fought against discrimination in housing and education.
ABC 10's Candace Red explains how a speaker series is honoring the civil rights hero.
While looking through a family photo book, Gary Lindsay Jr. remembers his grandfather and Sacramento civil rights hero, Nathaniel Colley.
I learned more and more, but to me, he will always be granddad.
Gary describes his granddad as
extroverted, funny, highly intelligent.
Nathaniel Colley is from Alabama. He graduated from Yale Law School in 1948 and moved to Sacramento the same year.
And even though he had a Yale Law degree, no one would hire him.
He soon opened his own law practice, becoming Sacramento's only African-American attorney. Nathaniel fought against housing and educational discrimination in California.
Nathaniel Colley is a part of Sacramento, and I think people need to be reminded of that.
That's why Gary is participating in a speaker series that honors the life and legacy of Nathaniel Colley. The 3-day series is at McGeorge School of Law in Oak Park.
And I think the time is now for more people to learn about Nathaniel Colley, and I think that with that, people will be enriched in a way they weren't expecting to be.
The event comes with panel discussions and a documentary screening that highlights Nathaniel Colley's advocacy for justice and equality.
When I think of Nathaniel Colley, I think of how Black attorneys, all attorneys, regardless of your race, have a commitment to be part of diversity and inclusion and equity.
I'm sure that it's easier for me to practice law today in California, in Sacramento specifically, because of Nathaniel Colley.
Unfortunately, the struggle for civil rights continues.
Nathaniel Colley's son, Nat, is one of the panelists and says the journey to justice for all is far from over.
It's a fight to join in and help with, because it's important to have, for everybody to have the freedom to then, maximize their skills.
My grandfather passed in '92. Not necessarily somewhere that just is because he passed that is necessarily a place to stop, and it's for others, to maybe learn from him and see inspiration and pick up the baton from there.
The speaker series honoring Nathaniel Colley started yesterday. It's a 3-day event with 2 more, November 6th and November 13th. Nathaniel Colley's son will speak at the November 13th event. If you want more information about it and want to get tickets, head over to our website, abc10.com.